We are fucking live. You know what I mean? Look at here. Chinese microwave made by GE. You believe that shit? I thought it was an American-made shit made by GE. Couldn't find out that cocksucker's made in China. You know? I mean, this fucking stock market, let me put on my goddamn American-made batting glove. This goddamn stock market, this Dow, there ain't but about 30 stocks in the Dow, but these motherfuckers have manipulated every goddamn one of them up to 8,000. You know? I mean, you know, and need I remind you, the companies that are in this Dow 30, hardly any of their business or their employment is in the United States. So, you know, and here you are, CNBC talking about, oh, the recession's over. Goddamn, the market's still 2,000 points lower than it was 10 years ago. Oh, and we're coming out of a fucking recession? You son of a bitch! Damn it. You know, this motherfucker goes and owns, you know, first of all, I tell you what, dumb, you see how shitty the People's Republic of China don't know how to make shit worth a damn. I hit that motherfucker one time, and the motherfucker got broke on feet. I mean, shit. You know, we got a motherfucker out here, he's talking about, he's cloning human beings. I tell you what, people, why don't you next time, you know, this is what you need to do. Instead of figuring out how to clone human beings, why don't you figure out how to make everybody a robot that goes to work for them, and then just brings them the damn paycheck? Why don't we do some shit like that? That sounds pretty innovative to me, huh? Oh, that sounds innovative. You know? I mean, we done had 25 banks fail this year, okay? The 50 states, oh, and CNBC says we're out of a recession. In the next 24 months, 50 states face a budget gap that could reach as high as $120 billion. Oh, we're out of a recession. We're out of a recession. You know, General Motors, you don't believe this shit. General Motors has spent $2.8 million of the dollars that they done got from federal bailouts to lobby Congress for more bailouts. The motherfuckers haven't done nothing but lay off American workers and to get more loans from the fucking government. You know? I mean, what kind of shit is that? They talking about they're gonna lay off 47,000 people worldwide. But we know the real truth. It ain't worldwide, motherfucker. It's just right here in America. China's doing fine. God damn. Sick of these fuckers. You know? I mean, goddamn, and then you got fucking, they gonna convert those preferred shares into common shares. Right before it's time for the banks to give us a damn dividend payment. See that shit? I mean, you know? I mean, goddamn. And they come out, the recession is over. The recession's over. The recession ain't over. We've got a declining standard of living. We got a massive trade deficit. We got all kinds of debt. And Freddie Mac CEO told me, I commit suicide, you know? You know what? He's one of them motherfuckers that took one of them $100,000 bonuses, probably $1 million bonus, and you're damn right you should feel guilty. You son of a bitch. I mean, how do you justify that shit? You need no what? You don't need no bonus? You know? I'll tell you what, guys, I'm starting to run out of Chinese shit. You know? And on top of that, after we give the banks the common share, then the fucking government is the largest shareholder in 19 of the biggest banks in our whole fucking country. You know? I mean, you know, and they come out the fucking 4.5% of homes in Nevada are in foreclosure. You know, but the recession's over. The recession ain't over. You know? See that left-handed swing there? I mean, you know, you gotta get it. You know, Obama talking about, I'm told my cabinet they're gonna have to figure out how to save $100 million worth of some shit. You know what $100 million $100 million is about 3% of the military aid we give to Israel every year. $100 million is just what they spend for office materials for the Department of Homeland Security. You know, and here we are. He's thinking he's really doing something. You ain't doing shit. You know? I mean, oh, we got fucking record foreclosures, record-setting bankruptcy. You know, oh, but recession's over. The recession's over. I mean, I just feel so damn wonderful now, you know?
Are you scared?
I mean, the fucking, dude, our manufacturing has all been went to China. We got mounting trade deficits, mounting budget deficits. I mean, you know, and then we got, I mean, what are we gonna do? Roll into 2010 with a $3.6 trillion budget, with a $3.6 trillion budget, pushing $2 trillion budget deficit spending each year, you know, and here we are. Obama thinks $100 million is just going to save the day. I tell you what, I don't even know what to think anymore. I mean, check this out. Just the borrowing cost from that fucking stimulus back in February is going to cost us $100 million every day for a decade. You know? Damn you! Here, goddamn Geithner calling me. Oh, Geithner, you know, unemployment is going to remain down, you know? Unemployment ain't going to come back up, and you know, the recovery's going to happen before unemployment comes back around. Now, ain't that just funny as hell? The one thing that we're more worried about the most, unemployment, and that's the part that ain't going to come around. That's the part that ain't going to come around. I mean, you know, how afraid is that, everybody? I mean, the thing that affects you the most, and that's what's going to take a while to come around. I believe that's a bunch of shit. I tell you what, I'm at my damn end with this shit. Y'all need to send me some shit. I'm ready to go south. Son of a bitch. Damn. I done about broke my damn lawnmower now. I'm really pissed now. Oh, God. Until next time, hey, y'all want to see what's going up on there next? Check this shit out.